F26, 2026, we'll be doing the chart analysis of Nifty and a few other stocks and gold and silver. Okay, so in Nifty, it is not in a mood to do anything except chopping in between these two lines unless we have a breakout on either of the sides, either upside or downside. We cannot take any position right now. Okay, so we'll just let it be. Dixon Tech is looking interesting. It may probably be forming a double bottom pattern on the charts. So here you can see the support is around 9835, which is where it bounced before. And I suppose that it can bounce here as well. So we can take a position at this point 9835 and then keep a tight stop loss around 9800 on, and basically if it goes up then let it ride until the first resistance around 13280, and if you want to still hold it, you can hold a few quantity and then let it ride until 14671. So that is the second level of resistance. Okay, looking at Kaynes Technologies, today it tried to break out of this bull flag formation, but it was not able to. So it is still at this point, and I think in a couple of days it should break out on the upper side. Okay, now let us look at Fincables. So yesterday we saw that this particular chart is in a bull flag formation as well. The price was chopping in between these two lines, and today it chose to break out, and it broke out with a good volume. Along with that, the breakout was pretty sharp. So we cannot take a position in this. If you had taken a position in this channel, then that would have been good, but now we cannot take any position here. Vari Energy is not doing much here, let it be. Reliance, so in the short video that I published today, I was suggesting that we could take a position at the lower end of the channel and then let it ride, because there is a very low, very small stop loss. So right now it is around 1406 and the gap fill was around 1392 approximately. So which is where we could have taken a position and then let it ride. Okay, mostly it should break on the upper side. So let us see how that goes. Fortis Healthcare, this looks like an inverse head and shoulders pattern. It has broken out with a decent volume, and so basically how we trade is we let it go until a little further up, and then it could most probably be tracing to the neckline, which is around 940 to 945, and then it can continue its upward journey to 1060. Okay, keep a stop loss around 890. HDFC Bank is doing good. It is approaching the support area, which is around 965 or so. Sorry, 865 around. So that is the support area. So this is where there are two supports, and also a Fibonacci level coincides with this particular level. So most likely we should be seeing a good bounce at this point around 860 to 865. So we can take a long position at this point. ITBs, this is not looking particularly great, because although it took support and it climbed up the support, but the candles are not looking that good. Every time it tries to go up, it gets sold into and then forming like a big wick in the candle. So I don't think this is very promising, and probably in a few days it could break out to the downside. CNX, IT and ITBs are the same, so I'll not cover that. Tech Mahindra, it is not doing good. It has broken out of this this particular line, the support line, and it is below that and not in a mood to climb up the line as well. So this is like a no-go. Trend, this is looking good. So it is approaching the support area around let us say 3720 to 3710 approximately, that is a support. If you want to be a little more careful, then you can try to wait until it reaches 3644. So let us see how that goes, but keep a tight stop loss below, because if it falls from there, then it could fall another 200 points. So we don't want to get into a lot of trouble there. Okay, so keep a tight stop loss just below this particular point, which is around, let us say 3645. So keep 10-15 points lower than that, so 3630 approximately. So that would be your stop loss. Swiggy is looking good. It is approaching the support line. So this is the support, approximately around 297 to 98. This is where you can take a long position and let it go. The first level of resistance would be around 377, 378. And if it climbs from there, then it can face a resistance at this point around 473. And if it is a real what you call double bottom formation, then it can even reach this point around 618. But let us keep our hopes little low. Eternal, this is not looking good. It has broken out of this channel, and the first level of support would be around this area. And also there is a little gap fill here, so around 237 or so, it might take a little support, might bounce a little bit, but then continue its downward journey to this shaded area around 206 to 196. And if it falls from here, then there is the next level of support, which is around 176 to 167. With that, we come to the end of the analysis. Thank you.